to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Hi there guys, Happy New Year to all of you. I wanted to start this new year by featuring one of my favorite sedans. This is the Hyundai Verna. I mean, this is the manual variant. I mean, this is a pure enthusiast delight, man. I mean, the gear stick is so sublime, so beautifully, geared, because it's a short shift gearbox, and it's just pure love. And add to that a well calibrated steering wheel, feather light clutch, and absolutely adrenaline packing powertrain, the 1.5 liter turbocharged GDI engine that puts out around 160 PS of max power and 253 Newton meters of max torque. This one is the 6-speed manual. You also have it in 7-speed DCT, but trust me, once you drive the manual, you will go fida. And today I'm gonna just give you a glimpse of how this feels to drive. I've already driven it earlier. This is kind of a revisit review, and I'm sure you'll appreciate that. Before that, we'll just quickly have a look at the design. We are here in this vast open landscape. Look at the design. It's a 5-star rated safety rating sedan. Yeah, it comes with 5-star safety rating. It's based on Hyundai Kia's K2 platform, I believe. And look at the grille. The light bar up front reminds us of the Lucid Sapphire to some extent, but in black. This reminds me of the Knight Rider, David Hasselhoff's Knight Rider. If you haven't seen that series, please do look it up. You'll love that series, and you'll easily resemble this car with the Knight Rider car from that series in the 90s. And you have beautiful headlamp layout, neatly integrated fog lamps, beautiful front bumper, and you have the front splitter here, highlighting the need for speed that the sedan enjoys. Red caliper, all black alloy wheels, 205 by 55 R16 tires. Now the DCT variant gets all 4 disc brakes. This one doesn't, so that's kind of a disappointment. Wish they had offered all 4 disc brakes here as well, but anyway, best to save it for the top spec model. You also have the satin chrome finished handlebar, door handles, and this kind of an accent, satin chrome accent on the C pillar and black and B pillar, and shoulder line is again satin chrome, shark fin antenna, cuts and creases all around, beautifully flowing character line across the bodywork, decent enough kind of this thing. Ground clearance, again a jewel effect for the tail lamp, beautiful jewel effect. Again, attention to detail is meticulously crafted tail lamp cluster. Again, the light bar at the back, and also this kind of a texture which kind of shines during the daytime. 1.5 turbo badging right over there. So this is the design language, proper coupe, sports coupe kind of a design, and around 528 liters of boot space to carry your luggage and your neighbor's luggage as well. I mean, look at the boot, it's so huge. So that's again best in class, I believe. And another thing is the way you sit. So let me just finish that off so that we can go and enjoy the drive. This is how the seat is laid out. Okay, and this is how we sit. Okay, this is how I sit, and decent amount of leg room, not decent, abundance of leg room. you can say decent amount of headroom, because the headroom, you can say, for people who are beyond 6 feet, it might be a bit of a bother, but below 6, I think it's okay. But leg room is more than sufficient, even for the likes of Great Khali. And this is the key fob, neatly done. Again, the dedicated air vents, dedicated Type-C ports at the back, and a beautiful dash up front, angled towards the driver for easy operation. 2-spoke steering wheel. Maybe they could have offered a 3-spoke with a flat bottom steering wheel to add the sporty touch. You have the sporty touch with the red accents running across, almost like an N-line. So that's the reason they haven't launched an N-line, because as it is, it comes in full black with red accents. There's nothing left to do for the N-line. You do get sunroof as well, and ADAS level 2. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now let's get behind the steering wheel and let's start driving this beast. Okay, so guys, we are in the cabin now, and yeah, my love affair with the Osmo Action 5 Pro wireless setup continues. So I hope the audio and video is coming out fine. The ultra wide field of view is another good thing. So first, let's slot it into reverse and see how good is the reverse camera. You can see it's decent enough, but they could have done a better job, is what I feel, because the field of view is not complete. 10.25 inch screen, they might as well have used the entire real estate, but that's the way it is. Again, no need of an N line, because already you have the red lining, red accents that comes with the N line as standard. So it's already there. So as it is, it's full blacked out black alloy wheels with red accents. So I think that's the reason they haven't launched the N-line. I love the aircon knobs. It's all decently done. The steering wheel is good. Maybe they could have given a flat bottom steering wheel. The entire feel of the cabin is top notch and premium. The dash is angled towards the driver for easy operation. Not a fan of this, because you've given it for the venue. Verna deserves something hotter, man, something distinct. It's a legend. It has a following unlike any other in the C segment. So you gotta respect that and give it kind of a good cluster theme. There you go. Oh boy, revs all the way up to 6,000 RPM and keeps going. Triple digit speeds in a matter of no time. Wow. And also the balance between NVH. See, the NVH levels really go down now when you're ambling around. You're not putting the pedal to the metal, you're not flooring the pedal. You're going easy on gas, and the NVH levels is like well sorted. Again, for all your audiophiles, immersive audio from Bose. That's, I think, the same with an extra speaker. You have a center speaker here, but the rest of it is similar to my N-Line i20. Then 6 airbags as standard, hill hold assist, ABS with EBD, vehicle stability management, and even the handling capability. We have a look at how it tackles a corner. I love the landscape, the way they have done here in Telangana for this part of Hyderabad. It's beautiful. Roads are brilliant, and a sharp corner here. So take the corner and it follows the line without any issues. So that's the best part about this sedan. The thing is, it feels a little soft and supple when you're at lower speeds, ambling around. But when you step on the gas and up the tempo, it really comes alive in terms of offering you the kind of support you need at higher speeds, support to gain confidence. And the turning radius is also pretty friendly, such that you can So here's another corner, and takes the corner effortlessly. Here is another corner. Takes this one effortlessly as well. And off you go. Oh boy, this thing is crazy. Insane in terms of high speed stability. Off you go. Oh man, drop the anchor. Dropping the anchor at that speed, the chassis orientation has to be top notch to give you the control, you know, to put the restraints on this beast. I mean, it is a beast in and of itself in the C segment. Very good seats. It's not too low slung, at the same time you're not sitting too high. See, oh, nice chunky gear knob right over there. Oh boy, incredible. And the rear view mirrors well set, offering good field of view. ADAS to watch your back, advanced driver assistance system, lane keep assist, lane watch feature, then adaptive cruise control, collision warning. It's all there. It's all there. And that's what makes it so much fun. But if only the cluster were better, I think it would have given a more immersive experience. It would have been a more Verna-ish kind of an experience if the cluster had a better theme to it. But apart from that, I think everything else is bang on. The suspension, the brakes, though this one doesn't get rear disc brakes, it still does the job and stops or puts the restraints on this one. The chassis is brilliant, and the suspension, the damping is right on point. The cabin cooling works really fine. Audio system is top notch, and connectivity, convenience features are also there. Ventilated seats, so that's another added plus. So let's just stop here to sum things up. It is one of the finest sedans in the segment, hottest looking cars, resembles the Night Rider's car to a great extent. So well, this concludes the drive impression. I just hope you had fun. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and drive safe.